I know the audio is going to suck, especially since the microphone is not near my face. Second of all, this URL, I will have it available for you to see here, which is my3ds.org/new craft3ds/sec-index.html. That means second index.html, but it's not, the whole word's not spelled out. But anyways, you can go here, but if you already have a save file, well actually, before I even begin, if you go here, I don't recommend saving because this is literally my testing page, and I do stuff like change the world height a lot or often to try to get the world, try to make the game get put together. So when the height is different than, or the width, then if you go back to the original or something, or the original to this one, you're going to see that your world is pretty much, I guess, corrupted or screwed up. So, I don't recommend saving here because this is my testing page. And if you save stuff here, the next time you play it, I might have the world height changed, or it might be glitching or freezing or something. And yeah, this is just for the heck of it. If you want to go here and look at it, go ahead. But I don't recommend doing it. Now, to fix any errors, by the way, just go to the game that you're playing, type, you can't copy paste this, type this in the console log, bars, parentheses, in parentheses, don't forget the semicolon, basically, you see all the text right here. You put that here, click enter, then it will, hopefully successfully, because I have this for me, personal testing use too, reset everything, and or mostly everything, so that your world will not be corrupted or anything like that. So even if I go to the old one or current one, for you it's new or whatever, I should be able to do the same thing. And yeah, and then for like you do get all your stuff back unlocked, but that should fix any errors you get. So yeah, refresh the page for the heck of it. Alright, so now you don't get this floating robot. I think I might call it robots, but robots seem kind of, I don't know, maybe dirty. Oh yeah, you know what? I might have them like fairies. That seems so much more like Craft3DS. Fairies. Yeah, I'm shuffling cards. I don't know why. Anyways, so yeah, when you do reset this, if you go here or have set file, just remember, if you save anything here, it's most likely going to be corrupted the next time you come play. But if you do want a robot floating thing for now, copy paste whatever this is. I don't think this matters really. And depending on the robot you want, you will put the type to equal the robot. Now, for now, I'm going to do number 4, which is a robot I'm testing, and I just call it the condition bot. I have to put shift enter to do a line break. Free equals 1, which is free roaming. That's what the fairy was doing. So I need type equals 4. Now click enter. So now I should have that little fairy robot thing going on here. Now what this fairy robot currently does, but I'm testing this, so it might do something different every time you come to this page, and that's why I don't recommend going to this page and actually, have fun with it. Because even if you screw something up, you might refresh the page, and then you might be like, whoa, why is everything blank? Because this is literally my live testing page. I'm testing this right now at 4:27. Florida time. I don't know what that time crap goes. So the condition of the robot right now is here. So when this happens, it does this. I'm gonna have to simplify that, of course. What it's doing is that this robot is continuously, endlessly searching for this condition to be met. And when it does this. And what this does is that if there's 3 leaf blocks like this around here, and this is an error block, it will get rid of those leaves and put it in my inventory. So if I mine that, boom, the robot basically gets rid of that ugly stuff. And it kind of leaves this ugly stuff there. But that's just the conditions or something I can have a robot do, and I guess it's going to ignore that. So yeah, now, these conditions, I can put, what was it? 577. If you want to know what this number is, well, it's basically like your cell phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the top left, top bottom, bottom right, whatever. The blocks surrounding the robot. So 5 is right there, spot on in the middle. And 77 is the level 3 pumpkin. So what this robot would do is if it detects a pumpkin nearby, it will add it to my inventory. Not any pumpkin, but the level 3 pumpkin. So I scoot over, boom, it's going... Oh, wait. I know I need to change this also. So I change this to that, this to that, this to those, these to those, these to that, this to that, this to that. Okay, now the pumpkin should work. Also, this needs, I need to make, it's probably not saving. Crap. We have to wait for it to upload. But in the meantime, I do have another robot, farmer robot. I don't know what the test robot does, but the farmer robot, let's add another robot. I don't want it to have free because it's affected by wait. I don't know what would happen, to be honest, if it was on free. 3, and then just change that to something. Now there's a farmer robot right here. And basically what it does is that if there's a grass block, if it's on top of a grass block, and there's nothing above the grass block, it will place a plant, a flower, and a blue flower. So like that one, it would place one right there. And boom, you see that? It placed the blue flower. And if it was on top of just a dirt block, one of these blocks, it will change it to a grass block. But yeah, that's what it does. The farmer. Now, let me save. And I will refresh the page. Actually, let me go a little bit over here, save. And I will refresh the page. And I might be a little close to the pumpkin, but you'll see that the pumpkin will get harvested because that's what the robot is programmed to do. And let me get a little closer. Boom. Right there. That's what the robot does. So I do have some good stuff going on right here. And for the heck of it, I believe stone was... What? That's not it, right? Stone was number 1. And... no, stone was 5. Stone was 5. I do this, it should automatically mine stone. That robot, that's the fairy, I guess. I really do believe I'm going to call it a fairy. So let me go down here. When I get to stone, it will be mining a bunch of stone. And it's not doing that. 5, 5. Okay. Stone is probably not 5. Leaves. It mines leaves. Stone is number 2. So 2, 2. I thought I saw the leaves disappear. Just in case, oh. So it's going to automatically mine all the stone within the certain range that the robot can actually mine. So when it fairy comes back down here, it's going to mine a bunch of stone. Now, I could have a condition, or not a condition, but the condition be a little bit more restrictive, like only mine stone next to stone, or only mine stone that's like 2 stones by 2 stones, so that if I make a house made of stone, then it won't mine my house. So yeah, that's something I will have available whenever I finish this game, I guess. Who knows when that will be. But yeah, also I'm going to pause the video. Hopefully it won't end the video. If it does, then share this video and go to this YouTube channel, which is on Craft3DS.org website. Now, because of previous videos, I do believe it should still be recording. And if it is, good. If it's not, I'm talking to myself. Anyways, by the way though, go to this YouTube channel if you want. I hope you do. I am making Minecraft videos, but I do feel like I should be making Super Mario Makers now, because that has 21 views. Still sucks, but I'm just going to go ahead and share this YouTube channel. It's on my3ds.org. If you go to my3ds.org, you will see a YouTube button. Just click it, you will go to this page. Now, back to this. I really, that was pretty much it. I'm just working on robots and stuff like that. But if you want to test stuff yourself, you could go to this URL, but I don't recommend it. It's literally my live testing page. Whenever I edit stuff, I'm editing this page. So, like I said, you might decide refresh the page for whatever reason, and for all you know, it might be black, it might crash your computer, who knows, but I don't recommend going here, but you can if you want. So, yeah, pretty much it though, I mean, honestly. I'm making robots or fairies, villagers or, farmers, whatever. I'm making that stuff right now, and I like the way it's coming up. Because like this fairy, even though you saw how it mined 1,000,000 blocks, not really though. Literally, I don't believe it uses a lot of resources for this 3DS browser. Now don't forget, this is going to be a game that works on your Nintendo 3DS browser. That has to be really amazing. Am I right? But I should probably stop shuffling cards. Yeah, that's crazy, right? Am I right or am I right? Because first of all, it's not like you find 3DS browser games on the internet anymore, at least, or anything good, anything better than what I've made. I mean, there is this one game that did look like it was good quality, but it was only like one stage. I mean, it was, yeah. There is some other games. I'm not gonna just have all credit to myself. No, there is other 3DS browser games that are pretty good. I did not make, but I do have. I believe I have the most and the most fastest and the most. I'm on the top in my opinion. Not the only one. There are other people. I'm not gonna, say something I shouldn't. Anyways, yeah, this robot test, I think that literally only harvests a pumpkin and it just followed the player. Oh, by the way, you could make these little fairies on your computer, save it, and then log on your 3DS here. That should work, but like I said, it's not done, and I don't really know what the speed is on 3DS browser. But let's go ahead and make that other robots. It was, I think, 2. Now it should just be a robot that follows the player and jumps when I jump, and it should harvest pumpkin actually. And when it does do that, it should stop. You know what? I think it's corn. Let me go to corn. Find a corn, and it should stop and act like it's actually harvesting the corn, and then it should start running back towards me. If I don't find a corn, I will have to hack the game and put one in my inventory like I did other stuff, whatever it was. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to do it. Alright, corn, popcorn. Corn level 3, 71. Add 71 one time. Alright, so that little robot thing, or fairy, whatever, that's following the player, not the fairy, but the one affected by gravity, it stops. Look, it harvests it. It doesn't add anything to my inventory, but you just saw what happened, right? So yeah, I am working on these, robots or just legit stuff, that could have been grass, and the thing following me could just be like a cow, and it was hungry, and it would have ate grass instead of corn, and whatever. So yeah, I am working on this stuff. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to end the video, but I just want to say one more thing, or point out one more thing before I go. in case if you want to play this game legitly, let me show you some stuff. The furnace and the anvil, they do work, you just have to figure out what to do. And important, this pickaxe right here, that means you're picking items. The bed means you're placing or putting down items. And the question mark means you're like investigating it. So if you place a furnace, use the question mark, click the furnace to see what's inside. Use the bed, highlight your item like wood, which would be fuel. You use the bed to place, and then you click the furnace like this with, placing, and that's how you add stuff to the anvil, and that's how you add stuff to the the furnace. But anyways, back to the rope. I was going to do the rope. After I show you the rope, that might be it. Rope. There we go. Rope lock. That's what I want though. So I don't have iron. Add 62 one time. Here it is. Now I'm going to place this down. I have 8 rope. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that means that the rope, this is really handy. This is how you mine straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The rope should go all the way down here, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. Goes down automatically, and it shouldn't go down anymore. And I will show you right here. Yeah, because it only has 8 rope, but you use it to basically go up like a ladder. And if you're playing on your 3DS, you might want to be careful with this, because if you're going to pick it up, it breaks it all in pieces, and that will lag your 3DS to death. But it will come in handy. Leaving is kind of annoying, probably. Anyways, that's the little farmer thing. It doesn't matter. Anyways, that's pretty much it, really. Alright, so I will see y'all later. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned the harvest belt. Pretty much, real quick, let me show you something. Harvest belt, where is that at? 1, 2. No. And then the claw. Okay, so what you want to do here for the belt and the claw is basically harvest food. So I'm going to end the video after this, I promise. But people are probably interested in this game. So what you want to do is this. Crap. Let me add a chest. What I'm going to do now is show you how the harvest claw works. Wait, what happened? Oh, it's on the first slot. Alright, so if you want to do this harvesting stuff, you do have infinite health, it doesn't really matter. I can't get the apple, what happened? Alright, place the chest there. Now you place the claw anywhere. What the claw will do, you need to give it fuel. I prefer coal ingots, if not, that might be the only thing there. Okay, so it picks up a level 3 plant, and then if there's a chest underneath it, then it will place it in the chest. So it picked up the wheat block. I can just click it, it will go in my inventory. I don't think this will automatically update. No. I have to exit and enter to do that. So it picked up the wheat level 3 and a pumpkin level 3. That's how the harvest claw works. You can also click it with the question mark to see how much fuel it has. And it has probably 5 minutes of fuel just for 2 pieces of wood, I don't know. But that's how the harvest claw works, if you want to know. So after, I don't know, that's just how it works. Alright, so I'll see y'all later. Please support this YouTube channel. Thank you.